I am Congresswoman Melanie Stansbury, and I would just want to start by welcoming the bus tour to New Mexico. I know you all have been traveling the country talking about healthcare, talking about lowering prescription drug prices, and talking about the impact that the Inflation Reduction Act will have not only for New Mexico, but for Americans all across the United States. I am proud to serve as the Congresswoman for New Mexico's 1st Congressional District. You all are right here in the heart of our district, and I grew up right here, not far from here in the North Valley, and I grew up in a low-income family without health insurance. And so when we talk about public policy and its impacts for working families, the fact that these policies actually change lives and save lives, I can attest to that personally. And the Inflation Reduction Act, which we passed just about 5 or 6 weeks ago, is the largest single expansion of our medical programs across the United States since the Affordable Care Act. And when we say that policy matters, the Inflation Reduction Act literally will save lives. Here in New Mexico, thousands of New Mexicans were facing a Medicaid cliff at the end of the pandemic. They were about to lose access to basic medical care. The Inflation Reduction Act expands medical care for thousands of New Mexicans. In addition to that, it helps to expand opportunities for working New Mexicans to get lower premiums on their healthcare coverage, because we know so many New Mexicans are paying far too much for their healthcare. And finally, as has been said this morning, one of the most significant investments in this bill is provisions that will enable us to take on big drug companies and lower the medical care costs and prescription drug costs for our seniors through Medicaid. So thank you, everyone out there who fought for this life-saving legislation. It was my honor to vote for it, to fight for it, and to fight for our communities. Thank you.